Down the line, I look, there runs a porter. First aid kit and a bucket of water to scrape me up from those grey stone slabs of home. These old legs I try to stand on, though the bones are cracked and dry. And there's my rib cage strewn all over the platform, with my broken arm and my bad head. I wish I just stayed in bed instead of stepping off on those grey stone slabs of home. And they all came to greet me. I should have changed in Oswald Street, caught the stopping train to the grey stone slabs of home.
Alright, so he's got choice two.
Lyrical joy.
You sent him off
And as I wake, look around me at these hospital walls that surround me, and I realise, yes I realise, I'm on a drip feed. There's a padre and a sad old nurse who says we should have checked his timetable first before stepping on those grey stone slabs of home. And they all came to greet me. I should have changed in Oswald Street, caught the stopping train to the grey stone slabs of home.
I have been there for ages. It's got a couple of places. It's got a nice place up in Cheltenham.
I could cry. And as my body ceases to function, I wish I stayed at Manhattan Junction instead of stepping off on those grey stone slabs of home.